in this video. Is Bitcoin going to recover for the month of December, or are we going to see more crashes for the month of December? Well, stay tuned to know more.
Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video.
So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yes, you can see medyo masama pa rin yung pakiramdam ko and medyo obvious sa voice, but yeah, we'll try to do our best para mabigyan pa rin kayo ng update, especially na we are now about to enter the month of December. And historically speaking, usually month of December is usually a month wherein laging umaakyat yung crypto market. But that is only possible during a bull market year. And right now, it's not even sure if we are still in a bull market. Well, even if you look at the chart is telling us that we are not anymore in a bull market year. So how will the month of December be going out, or how will it pan out for the next few weeks, especially na if we are not in a bull market year, ano ba mangyayari dito? So let's start first with the daily time frame, because in the daily time frame, as you can see, diba, recently we saw a Bitcoin crash below the 200-week moving average, and that is usually a typical good buy zone for the current bull market. And during a bull market year, that would be a good time for you to re-enter and then get new all-time highs. However, as you can see, since we are now way below this 200-week moving average, and as you can see in the weekly time frame, let's open the weekly time frame charts. In the weekly time frame charts, we are already below the bull market support band. So this is now indicating that it has now broken this bull market support, so we are not already in a bull market. So in this case, what would happen now is, if ever that you are going to buy below the 200 moving average, there is no guarantee anymore that we will see a Bitcoin all-time high, because we have already broken the market structure of Bitcoin. But as you can see, right now we have seen those recent pump na nakita natin within the past few days. And if you're going to open the chart, you would have find that the recent pump that we have seen dito was because of a bullish stochastic RSI cross ni Bitcoin, wherein we saw Bitcoin move from the 82,000 pabalik ng 91,000 US dollars. Even up until 92 or 93,000 US dollars, we saw Bitcoin move to that area. But as you can see right now, if we're going to zoom in, Bitcoin is right now about to form a potential bearish cross in the stochastic RSI. So this could indicate if let's say this coming Monday or Tuesday, we saw a bearish cross dito kay Bitcoin on the stochastic RSI, then what would happen is we would see Bitcoin go down dito. It would tell us that Bitcoin is going to go back around the 83,000 for this coming week. Because as you can see, this stochastic RSI has been accurate in telling us if are we going to see a pump or are we going to see a dump kay Bitcoin. And as you can see, right now, it's now forming a momentum na we will be going down for the coming week. And yun nga, this is just indicating, or this is just telling us what will happen to Bitcoin within this upcoming 1 week pa lang. Now, if that's what's going to happen within 1 week, ano yung mangyayari within the next few weeks, within let's say Christmas week or New Year? So as you can see, if you're going to look at the weekly time frame, in the much bigger time frame, you would find that in the weekly time frame, we are starting to form somewhat of a bullish cross in the weekly stochastic RSI. So in this case, ano ba yung pwede mangyari dyan if let's say magkaroon ng weekly stochastic RSI? So that could indicate na for the short term or for the mid term, ang pwede mangyari is short term dump lang siya, pabalik ng 82 to 83, para magko-consolidate lang siya dito at mag-form ng bullish indicators. And then in the weekly time frame, we might see a potential recovery dito ni Bitcoin. Now, when we say recovery, ano ba yung potential recovery na binabanggit natin dito? Just like what I mentioned sa previous video, yung recovery na minomonitor natin dito is a dead cat bounce pabalik ng 50-week moving average. Kasi if let's say Bitcoin is going to go back to the 50-week moving average, then that would indicate na it would follow the similar thing with what happened sa previous movement ni Bitcoin. And in fact, if you're going to look at the previous movement ni Bitcoin, we saw a bullish cross dito. Let's siguro remove muna natin yung drawings para mas clear. And ito, as you can see, we saw a bullish cross dito ni Bitcoin around that. And as you can see, that bullish cross brought Bitcoin back to the 50-week moving average. And then ever since that, we saw a continuation of the bear market. And as you can see right now, the setup is almost similar, or actually almost the same na nga dito. It's actually forming that potential move na dead cat bounce, pabalik ng 50-week MA, and then a continuation of a massive dump. So, in this case, it is possible na magiging green ang month of December, but ang bad news dyan is it's going to be a continuation of the bear market. So, if I were you guys, if let's say meron pa kayong hinohold na spot wallet kay Bitcoin, it's actually one of the last few times for you to sell. Abang-abangan nyo lang muna mag-play out itong dead cat bounce, itong pump na to. At once na mag-pump na siya, lalo, dun kayo mag-exit sa market. Pero if kating-kati na kayo mag-exit, pero siguro pwede nyo gawin is sell lang kayo partial, and then the rest pwede nyo na i-sell pag diretso na siya umakyat. And take note guys, I am currently trading Bitcoin kay Wix kasi dito kay Wix, mas madali siyang i-access. Walang VPN na kailangan, walang KYC, automatic na click mo lang yung link ko dyan sa baba, then automatically may account ka na. And yeah, meron tayong airdrop dito, meron din $50 $50 bonus if you're going to deposit $100 using my link. Then marami pang bonus dito na pwede nyo makuha. And take note guys, if gusto nyo mag-cash in dito, ang gawin nyo lang talaga dito is maglagay lang kayo ng pera sa coins.ph, convert nyo siya to USDT, and then from USDT, i-transfer nyo siya from coins.ph to Wix. Kasi dito meron ditong deposit, and then pwede kayo mag-deposit dyan gamit USDT. And siguro gagawa ko siya ng tutorial video soon on how to deposit kay Wix. But yeah, if you want to start trading kay Wix, and if you don't want any hassles at murang trading fees, make sure to trade kay Wix, and you can find my sign-up link in the description down below. But anyway, that's all the update for the time being, and let's see how will this pan out within the next few days, especially the month of December is about to start. And hopefully, by then, okay na rin yung boses ko at hindi na ako mahirapan gumawa na analysis. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.